Here's all you'll need for my hot and spicy chicken wings. Said chicken wings, some white wine vinegar, lemon pepper. If you haven't got any lemon pepper, just use cracked black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, sweet chilli sauce. Again, if you haven't got any sweet chilli sauce, you can use honey, and then your favourite hot sauce. First thing I like to do is just give them a rinse, your chicken wings that is, in some warm water. Don't go splashing it around everywhere, but just give them a rinse, get any impurities off, and then we're going to dab them dry with some kitchen roll. Next, I'm going to make up the sauce that you're going to rub into the chicken. Teaspoon your lemon pepper, same for your garlic powder and paprika, then same with your white wine vinegar, sweet chilli sauce, and finally whatever hot sauce you've decided on. Give them a good mix and put them to one side. With your chicken wings in an oven dish or on an oven tray, it's time to start getting them covered with sauce. Save a bit of your sauce so you can glaze them again halfway through, and then it's a case of getting that sauce rubbed in. Get your hands dirty and rub it into all your chicken. Then I'm going to cover that with foil, and it's into the oven at around 200 degrees for around 45-50 minutes. Halfway through though, we're going to use the rest of the glaze, turn them all over. When they've had half an hour or so in the fridge, time to take your tin foil off. Go on with the rest of the sauce, give them a good mix up. Then you're going to put them back in the oven, but don't put the tin foil back on, because we want the skin to get nice and crispy. Always the best bit. So back on with the sauce, a good mix around, and then back in the oven for around 20 minutes. Once it's had some time in the oven without the foil, it's time to plate up and get stuck in.